My goodness, there is a tectonic shift occurring in the Zimbabwean music industry. Everything has completely changed. While established giants are busy checking their streaming numbers, there is a new power dynamic dominating the streets. Many think this is just a social media clout relationship, but what if I told you that Malloti isn't just a girlfriend, but a strategic kingmaker with a track record of activating hits for every man she touches? And what if I told you Hulengende's sudden dominance isn't just luck, but a spiritual overshadowing from a lineage of prophetic power? Today, we decode the Malongende phenomenon. Is this the reincarnation of the conquering family, or are we witnessing a calculated takeover that will leave the likes of Winky D and Jah Prayzah in the dust? Welcome to Zim Witness TV, your #1 source for deep dive analysis into the trends and power plays shaping our nation. Today, we're looking at the couple of the moment, Malloti and Hulengende, exploring their journey from the trenches of Mhondoro and the walls of prison to the peak of the Zimdancehall charts. Before we dive into the Midas Touch of Malloti, please take a moment to join our community. It would mean a lot to us if you could hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's grow this Zimbabwean witness together. Thank you for your support. To understand the Malongende movement, we have to look at their grassroots optics. Hulengende left Mhondoro Ngezi for the bright lights of Harare. In the music industry, we call this the rural-urban migration paradigm. He didn't come with a silver spoon, he came with a hunger that resonated with the ghetto youth. On the other hand, Malloti's story reads like a movie script. Coming from jail, being dumped by Hwinza at her lowest point. In the world of PR and branding, this phoenix rising from the ashes story makes her untouchable. People love an underdog who wins. Now, let's look at the Malloti blessing. Look at the data, guys. When Malloti was with Hwinza, Hwinza wasn't just an artist, he was a hit machine. She acted as his muse, his street credibility, and his luck charm. The moment that connection was severed, we saw a shift. But look at what happened when she met Hulengende. Ha! Suddenly, the Please the Women hitmaker became a household name. Is it just a coincidence, or is Malloti the secret ingredient for virality in Zimdancehall? And here is the kicker. When the South African baby mama allegations surfaced, a scandal that would destroy most brands, Malloti didn't flinch. She stood by her man. This isn't just love, it's strategic brand loyalty. By defending him, she solidified the Malongende brand as us against the world. That is how you build a cult following. But let's talk about the bloodline factor. Hulengende isn't just a singer, he carries what we call spiritual capital. His father is one of the biggest white garment apostolic prophets with a massive following. In Zimbabwe, music and spirituality are two sides of the same coin. When you have the anointing of a crowd-pulling father mixed with the street-smart energy of Malloti, you aren't just an artist, you are a movement. This explains why they don't just have listeners, they have disciples. People are comparing them to Soldier Love and Bounty Lisa. The conquering family blueprint is clearly there, but the question is, can they sustain the longevity metric? Recently, they dropped 2 songs that are currently clogging TikTok and YouTube. While others like Jnr Spragga and Madedido are pushing hard, Malongende has something they don't, the power couple narrative. We are seeing a shift where the audience cares more about the character and the drama than just the melody. If they play their cards right, they aren't just competing with Zimdancehall artists, they are encroaching on the territory of Jah Prayzah and Winky D in terms of social influence. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. There is a dark side to this rapid rise. The culture of insults, the constant social media wars and bickering. Voice tone, concerned. In the music business, your brand equity can vanish overnight if you become too toxic for corporate sponsors. Will the Malongende flame burn bright and stay, or will it be a supernova that explodes and vanishes? So Zimbabwe, I'm putting the ball in your court. From your perspective, Do you think this couple is the future of our music industry, or is the insult culture going to be their downfall? Is Malloti truly the blessing that keeps giving, or is this just a lucky streak? Please let us know in the comment section below. We read every single one of your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this analysis and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. I'm signing off for now, but the witness continues. Stay blessed, Zimbabwe.